The B&G autopilot is phenomenal. We went across the entire North Atlantic with it. We had it on the whole time. One really good moment was when it was blowing 50 knots. I was outside, there was ice on the roof, there was just ice and snow everywhere, all over the place. And it was freezing, and I was outside on the helm, and I put the autopilot on. It was doing a better job than I was, and regularly does. There's an anchor alarm. You hit a couple of buttons. It's very simple. And if you drift outside of your radius, which you shouldn't if you anchor properly, but it's good to know that an alarm will go off and let you know that you've drifted outside of your radius. On an Atlantic crossing, if there's a squall coming, you can pick it up on the radar, but there is frequently squalls coming, so it's really good to be able to pick where they are, and you can see them on the radar. And as one's coming, you can jibe or just go a little bit downwind and let it pass you on one side and then come back. It's really, really handy to keep an eye on that, because it'll save you having to deal with 40 knots or potentially even more. And you can see also the intensity, probably by the size of the squall. If it's bigger, it's going to be more powerful. We sail performance vessels, so the wind instruments are very, very important. We're often sailing by the numbers, so it's important to have your wind sensors good and dialed in. And also, if you put the autopilot on wind vane mode, you'll keep the wind at a certain degree to your current trajectory, so you can relax a little bit knowing that you don't have to be worrying about the wind changing direction.